Okay, check this out. Somebody asked me earlier, should I get Shiba right now? The price is pumping pretty good right now. It looks like soon, at some point, a zero will be off the board, and that'll be big for all SHIB holders. But the question comes in, should I get Shiba now or should I wait? And so let's go ahead and discuss this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Captain Inu is in service for you today. Now, it is pumping pretty good, up 13%. And when I get this, I have no plans to get this at any particular time right now because it's pumping right now. So what I will be looking at is the other assets as well. This is what I'm doing. Not necessarily focus on Shiba. So should you get Shiba? I would say just think about it. It's going high, and you know good and well there will be a correction. So it may be wise to wait for a correction to happen, is because, you know, it's going to necessarily come down a little bit. But think about what I will be focused on is Bone right now, because look at Bone. Bone is at $1.87. $1.87. If I go ahead and refresh this, and I'm getting the price right from Shibaswap. So Shiba's doing really well. That's really good, pumping. But Bone is still on sale, and I'm considering to add more Bone right now because people are not really talking about getting more Bone. $1.87, listen, that's a steal. So I would say my focus and just basically some things that I'm looking at is Shiba seems to be running up high right now, which is good, but Bone has not even took off yet. Bone hasn't even took off yet. So that's what I would be looking at, because if I go here and that's Ryoshi is down once again, so may get more Ryoshi again, may get some more Ryoshi visions again. So Bone is up 2.5%, but that's way below what it was. It's below $2. So I'm looking to add more Bone in the next couple of days, as long as it stay under $2. That's kind of like my mark. It's under $2. I'm looking to get in a little bit more Bone and seeing what we can do in terms of the portfolio. But if you're a Shiba holder, man, congratulations. Hold strong now. And also reassess what your plans and your goals are. Now, if you want to sell now, I understand. If you want to hold now, most people here is probably going to hold at least until a 1-0 gets off the board, at least in there. But I'm holding on much longer than that, to be honest with you, because I have a different strategy and different plans to use with my Shiba as well. And I'm looking for the rewards to be, you know, added into our portfolio or to our Shibaswap portfolio, maybe sometime this week. So I'm hoping to do that. So if Shiba's up, look at other things in the Shibaswap ecosystem that you can take advantage of. And that's what I'm doing. And that's just kind of a tidbit of something you can look for as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Once again, if you have the Shibaswap, which I'm sure you do, is that I will look at Bone, and actually, you know what? Matter of fact, I'm going to see how much Bone I can get with this Ethereum. While I'm on here with you, I'm going to see how much Bone I can get with that. 23 Bone. Okay, so all right. Let me find out what the fees are as well. I'll just go ahead and show you how much the fees will be. I'm just curious too about the whole Bones combination too. So Bone, if the fees are, it's not that bad. Fees are not that bad, so I may consider adding more. Okay, so fees are not that bad, but that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not really focused on Shiba at this particular time because it's pumping now, but I'm gonna look at Bone and go from there. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below to get started with anything down there to help you out through your day, and I'll help you today. Well, I hope it helps you today. I'll see you on the next video.